So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will we will talk about BTC, the specific range, what is exactly coming next, from where this trade come here, and every single thing will be discussed, and how I read this, all of the structures. For those who are definitely struggling to read the trend, they will also learn how to read the trend, and from where I'm expecting another rejection, I will definitely show that as well. I hope it makes sense to you guys. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. So guys, at very first, on 8th of April, I publicly called out this long position where my entry was exactly 76 k, and our target was 88.7 k, right? Yesterday I told you guys, go and check out, like just yesterday, 21st of April, I told you guys at very first my target, this is the trade right here, at very first my target was 88.7k, right? My first target was 88.7k. And what exactly happened after that? Yesterday I told you guys that the swing short which we targeted from here, 76 to 78, finally hit our target, that is 88.7k. The trend is still bullish. The trend still bullish means that there is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and there is another higher high. There is no lower low printed, there is no any break of structure, so the trend is bullish. And if we flip 89 to 88 to 89 to 90k, we will go for 95k. And I told you guys, if you guys want to close it right here, my community, you guys can definitely close it. While if I don't see any break of structure, which means that we should break this low around 84k, and then on the higher low, this is where I will definitely teach you guys right here as well. So yesterday we were here, so I told you guys, if we do not break this structure, and then on the higher low I will take an exit. If we don't see this, I am riding it till here. Now the results are in front of you guys. We are definitely here, right? This is just yesterday post. And other thing right here is, way back on 12th of April, we were at 83k. I told you guys that this liquidity levels are coming, 88.7k and 95k. And now here we are. We are up 13% even from this breakout, not from this range. This is where I called out a long position right here. So from this range, we are up 23% on Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin, not any other asset, right? So this is how we are riding it. And specifically, I will also show you my VIP Discord as well. At first, if you guys haven't checked out my VIP monthly report, I called out 8 spot positions. All of them are in profit. All of them went into profit. 190%. We could have been very great this month. This was a very good month specifically, right? Very good month specifically. But overall, we made some good, like we preferred and we managed our risk. We preferred lesser, we managed to get into 2 trades who are less risky. These are all of my future trades, scalp, long, whatever this month, right? And yesterday guys, all of them went into first TP. Yesterday I called out a swing short position. At first entry was exactly at 90.350, while the second one is 91.2k. So both of entries were triggered yesterday. And then our first TP was 88.3k, but after our second entry we went to 90.3k, whatever. So the point right here is, yesterday I closed this position in slight loss or almost at the entry, because after I said this, we almost went into entry a lot. So I told them close this trade at break even. And the reason for that is yesterday I shared this in my on my X, and I also shared it with my VIP members as well. The price is surging to the upside, the volume is rising. When the price is going to the downside, the volume is decreasing, and this is followed by another pump. The price is rising, the volume is rising. Now when the price is going to the downside, the volume is decreasing. This is 5-minute time frame. That's why I said that VIP futures, as a community, we closed this at break even. I also explain every single thing. Personally, I took a small loss here. Personally, I took a small loss here. Right? I took a small loss here. And specifically, if I show you something here, this is what we planned here. This is what we planned. Specifically, this was our target, and now we are definitely going to hit our target here. It's very, very simple. Now, personally, I shorted here as I planned, and I got stopped out at 92.5k. It was a personal trade because I can definitely take on that risk, but as a community, I closed that trade yesterday, and I shared this every single thing with my VIP members. Now, what is next? That's the main question, and I will definitely give you a quick review what happened in this month. So guys, this was the low printed, high printed. Now the price went to the downside, up, we swept this liquidity. Anybody who's following me specifically when we were rising this, when we were into this rising wedge pattern, I told you guys that if we don't break this area, we don't see any break of structure from here, this would be a higher low here, this would be a higher low here, and we will target another higher high, then another higher low, and then another higher high. This was our target exactly from that swept, because within this range, if we are trading within this range, these liquidities very matters. And this is what I taught you guys here. And a lot of guys will be saying, oh brother, we called this and that. They have good accounts, they have big accounts, they are here from a very long period of time, but they are calling this as they called it, as they pumped the price. Come on guys, every single thing is written in the chart. Break of structure, you guys definitely remember, there is no higher low printed here, so we do not enter any long position here specifically, but we enter a short position here. Swing short position here, scalp short position here. And if I show you guys, I can definitely show you guys. If I show you that trade, that would be a perfect. This is a short trade for 1st December, 1st April. This is 1st April. This is also another short position. This is where I called out short position right here. This is my VIP Discord. This is exactly this rising wedge pattern, and then we went back up to entry, and then we broke down to the downside. And once we broke down to the downside, this is rising wedge is already broken down to the upside. Now we are pumping. We hit this daily supply here. I opened a swing long position here and scalp short position here. Every single thing is written here in our VIP Discord, and this is the trade. It's in front of you guys. I called out also a scalp short position into this area as well, right? So I called out this short position, and it's definitely running in profits. And then I opened a swing long position around 78k, and from 78k, what is happening? It's in front of you guys. Very simple. So this is what has happened, and in between I called out a lot of swing, short, this and that, whatever. So guys, when we swept this liquidity for the second time, I told you again that this is a big liquidity, and at single point we will definitely get there. And now the results are in front of you guys. We are getting there. I opened a long position here. I opened a long position here. I multiple time I long short here. The point is, I shorted here, or first TP was hit, and then we stopped break even. Yesterday I called out another short position into this area. This is a very risky area, but there is definitely a daily supply here. There is this 4-hour supply here. That's why I shorted this area. I personally took a loss, but as a community I closed that at break even, and I told them what's the risk involved, and that's why I don't share any low conviction trades in my VIP Discord. So guys, what's next? That's the main question. But before that, if you guys want to join my VIP Discord, if you guys want to trade with me, join my Discord through the description link. Go check out VIP results. Every single day we are winning right here. Specifically every single day. Not every day is our day, but specifically most of our time we are more profitable. I hope so for these prices. If you guys want to join my VIP Discord, these are specific $130 for lifetime, and if you guys want to learn specifically for me, $230 with my trading course and lifetime membership on the VIP Discord. And this ends till April, right? So what's next? That's the main question. The main question right here is, after some time this liquidity will be swept. This liquidity which we talk about here is going to be swept. After a long period of time, a lot of guys are again telling you guys on Twitter, oh, we bounced here, we bounced there, whatever. Everything is written in the chart. This is a sweep, this is a breakout, this is a retest deviation. This is a lot of liquidity sitting here, It's a simple long position. I called out this publicly. Just get one. Like, people are getting 2k, 3k, 300k, 400k on these sort of trades. Did they shade this sort of trade? They didn't shade this sort of trade. They said, we are buying, we are doing this, we are bullish, we are oversold, whatever. Who gave you the long? When we were here, I told you guys, not now, not tomorrow, but we will go there because there is a liquidity unswept here. Now we are getting back into this area. While in between, if we shorted long, guys, we are already long from this area. We are already long, swing long from this area. Now we have to maximize our profit. How we will maximize our profit? By longing short here, short, long, whatever. This is how we are trading, and we have the win rate of 100% this month. Each of the trades which I shared in this monthly report can be definitely checked out in the VIP trade results. I am explaining a lot of stuff. A lot of guys will be bored right now who are watching me here, but specifically you guys need to learn this. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What's next for BTC? Now this is a higher high, this is a higher high, and this is a higher low now. Now the point right now, if I see I want this rejection, back to this was a daily supply, rejection. Now it's turning into what? It's turning into a daily supply, daily support, resistance flip support. So I am looking for this rejection here. Either I will enter into this area for a short position, or either I will enter into this area for short position. But I am again, like, for this bearish retest would be a very good area to look for a short position with stop loss here and target lower. Very simple. That would be like either here or either here. These are very important positions. Again saying, yesterday this was also a resistance, but look at the surge of price through this. If we see a surge of price again through this, we are not going to short it. Look for the volume, guys. Look for the volume. Although, as I shared shorts every single time in my VIP Discord, VIP scalp trades every single time, you look at this. I call out this scalp short position right here. Half TP here. It's almost 1600 move on BTC. We caught a good move here. What else we want? We caught a good move before the pump. We caught a good move here. What else we want? So this is like, if we are already in alpha string long position, you maximize here. You maximize in these ranges. Don't think that if I called out this short position here, I was a stupid guy. I was already long here. I called multiple longs here. All of them were in profit. If I'm calling here, there is a reason. There is this supply from where we got a rejection here. If we can get a rejection here, why not here? But there was a volume surge, and guys, I warned you. This is how simple it works. If you guys are not putting efforts into this, learning all of this stuff, you guys are very stupid, guys. Now this would be a break of structure here. We need this rejection. We need this rejection, guys. Either enter here or either enter here. But we need confirmations to get into this sort of swing short position. Our target is higher low. This is a higher high. We will target here a higher low. And the point is, if we lose this level, if we lose this break of structure, there would be a break of structure. Then the next pump would be an exit pump on the 4-hour time frame, and then lower on, maybe we can get to the downside. Or either we will bullish count this trade, or either if we see this as well, How bulls will count this? If we see a break of structure, how bulls will count it? As this a higher low, this would be a break of structure here, and then there is a bull count here, and if we see a rejection back into this area, then would be a bear count here, and target would be again a range lows. For now we are trading within this range. We have to take it as a range trading, as we took it in this area, if we took it in this area. If you see a surge into this area, if we go back below this, don't think anything else. Short here, SL simple here, target this mid range. It's very simple, guys. Don't complex it. Please don't complex it. Very easy. Now on the 4 hour, this is our main area, which is definitely sitting at 86k. If we see this area, small rejection, short. If you missed, short on the bearish retest, target this higher low. This would be a higher low. This would be a higher low as long as 86.5k holds. And if we pump from 88, 89k, then we will surge again. Short here, long here, target again highs. We will decide what will happen there. Right? It's very simple. And if we try to flip this straight with the volume, then another resistance is almost at 101k. So from 101k we may see a rejection back to 96, 97k, and then this resistance, which is this is a daily supply, guys. This is a daily supply where I'm expecting a rejection. If we flip this level, then it will act as a daily resistance, flip into support, and then we can look for another long position here. I guess it's enough to explain everything, which can happen, which cannot happen. I hope it makes sense. I hope so you appreciate this effort. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to join my Discord. And if you guys want to trade with me, this is not just one trade, guys. This is one trade. I will show you. And this was another shade called out in this signal right here. This was another short position called out. This is the short. After going swing long from the bottom, this is the short, this is the long. I called out another short position right here on this bearish divergence. First TP we took right here. First TP at 83.3k. We already hit that. And then we went up again. This was a long position. Look at this, guys. Where I called out this 76.3k, we targeted 81k, and this is a scalp swing position, and we took this scalp position right here. There, specifically here. This is where I called out swing long position, and this is where we ride it. Then we dump. Then I called out another swing long position on public, and now we are riding it. I can definitely show you what date it is. It is 9th of April. I will show you. Where this it's shared on exactly April 9th, and you guys exactly see this, that we were exactly right here when I called out this swing position. I don't want to prove myself here. I really don't want to prove myself here, because I have proved myself a lot, right? And going up to forward to that, I told you guys I called out swing long position in the scalp area 86.8k, and then we ride this complete rate, and the results are in front of you guys. We ride this from here till here, a scalp position of almost like 8k. So the results are speaking for itself. And then I called out another this was a ADA long position. This was specifically March. We are going into March now. So this is our monthly trades, and I called out this scalp position right here. This is a double entry short position on Ethereum, and the results are in front of you guys as well. And it also hit full TP. As always, until next time.